The FAI suspended one of its coaches on Friday who has been accused of repeatedly sending inappropriate sexting messages to a mother of a player. The woman, who is also a football coach, has spoken to the Sunday Independent. She said she was frustrated and distressed to find that the FAI coach was still employed by the association this summer after she had provided evidence of a series of text messages and voice notes that he had sent her despite her repeated requests for him to stop. She said the messages were distressing and the FAI's handling of the case had left her frustrated. The woman made a formal complaint to Jerry McDermott, the FAI's Director of Grassroots, last February. He instigated a formal investigation into the coach who had been involved in coaching the complainant's son. It is understood the coach claimed there had been a romantic relationship with the woman, something the woman strongly denies. In many of the pictures the coach sent to the woman, he is wearing FAI branded tracksuits. Another mother of a separate player gave evidence to the FAI that she felt the coach was overly friendly in communications to her. She said this stopped after she told him that she was engaged to be married. The main complainant received a series of highly sexualized messages from the FAI coach from 2023 to January of this year. In one series of messages from August 2023, the coach said he thought the woman was a gorgeous, fit woman and he wanted to hear her heavy breathing. He also said he wanted to bring her to the shower. The woman responded, "Just stop." The woman has told the Sunday Independent that the coach once turned up at a hospital in his FAI branded car when she was visiting a sick relative and he sought to talk to her. The woman was told in April that the association had followed the appropriate disciplinary process. She was not informed that the result of the FAI investigation was to issue the coach with a written final warning for inappropriate use of FAI equipment, namely his work phone. It is understood the FAI believed there was some sort of consensual relationship between the coach and the complainant. The woman said she was shocked to see him later at a football tournament in his FAI gear during the summer. She pulled out of coaching tournaments so as not to risk running into him. The FAI moved to suspend the coach on full pay on Friday after it was told by a League of Ireland team that the same coach was asked to leave that club over an inappropriate message sent to a player's mother some years ago. The FAI had required the coach to disclose any other relevant information to its investigation. The association is concerned that he failed to disclose this previous incident with the League of Ireland team.